Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm going to show you how to remove learned words from your iPhone keyboard. This is a quick and easy process. Now your iPhone has two different ways to learn words, either from predicted text or text replacement. I'm going to walk you through two different methods how to remove those learned words. So let's head over to our iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now we're in the main iPhone settings. Let's scroll down a little bit until we get to general here, and then let's tap into that. Now in the main general settings, you'll see towards the bottom here, keyboard. So let's tap into that. You'll see here on the keyboard options, the second option down, text replacement. So let's tap into that. And here will be listed all the words that your iPhone has learnt. So as you can see here, OMW, and it will automatically convert it to on my way. Now at the top right here, this plus sign, you can click it and add a word to learn it to your iPhone. Now if you want to delete any of these learned words, you can press edit in the bottom left hand corner here, and then you can press this little minus sign when it pops up, and then press done once you have completed deleting the learned words. Now if the learned words that you've seen that you don't want on your iPhone is not here, what you can do, you can come out of here, as is a different way to remove the learned words. Then let's come back again to the general page, and now on the general page let's swipe all the way to the bottom until we get to this transfer or reset iPhone, and let's tap into that. Now at the bottom of this page you'll see reset, so let's tap into that. You'll get this pop-up menu here, and then what we want to do is want to set reset keyboard dictionary. You'll then need to enter your iPhone passcode, and then this other pop-up to confirm the reset of the keyboard, you want to click reset dictionary, and all the learned words that your iPhone's learnt from you will be deleted. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.